and Little Stories by Iris. That's me! Butterflies really look like flowers. They are so colorful and beautiful. Their wings are like petals, and their antennae look like pollen stems. I think they are flying flowers. If I'm a teeny weeny fairy, I will surely take a ride on them as they visit hundreds and thousands of flowers. Butterflies must smell very nice because they always touch all these flowers that wear sweet perfume all the time. Crickety can hardly wait for the baby caterpillar to come out of its cocoon. Be patient, whispered Pillar as she munched on a crunchy leaf. Betty Butterfly just smiled and continued to check out a pink flower for nectar. Is the wiggler out yet? Hollered Purply Moth as she hovered over the bush. Gring, gring! The emerald bug buzzes quietly as it watches from the tip of a leaf. I love this flower! It's so pretty like me! Exclaimed Pink Orange Moth. If it got wings and eyes like yours, you could be sisters, Dapple Dragonfly buzzed. I feel hungry just looking at its delicious leaves, thought little Red Sea Pillar. I wonder when they are going to start sipping its nectar. I can hardly wait to start my leaves buffet, mumbled Blue Bow Worm. Woohoo! I can fly! Go higher, Mama Bugsy! Shouted the little cutie worm. Stop wiggling too much, my little squirmer. You'll be sorry if you fall out of the grass belt, chuckled the amused Mama Bug. That's a good idea. Please let me fall on the flower field later. I want to bounce on the flowers and fall on juicy leaves. I'm feeling hungry. Buzz off, Ratto! No rats allowed in this bug party, squealed the elephant-nosed insect. Be nice. Don't let your wings curl up for being upset, chides Ladybug and Gentlebug. Are we allowed in this bug party? Whispered Aunt C and Auntie Ella to each other. Of course we are. We have 6 legs like the flying bugsies, answered Big Red Anton. Home sweet home. Our home is very sweet. We are not just buzzing it because it's truly golden honey sweet. We love flowers as everybody does, but we love these flowers more for sure. All bugs in the world know that is a fact, and no one can argue with that. All bears agree, and kids cheer loud for busy bees. But don't forget our stingers when you see our home sweet home. 3 little rainbow bugs are inspecting a little red spider. I can't tell if you are a bug, squeaked Bugsy One. He got big eyes as we do, observed Bugsy Two. Some humans tied a string on his behind, exclaimed cute Bugsy 3. I'm a spider, an arachnid, not an insect. You should stay away if you see my kind because you are one of our favorite snacks, hissed the amused spider. I know everybody can hardly wait to taste this scrumptious, delicious, sweet-smelling flower, giggled Orangefly as she closely peeked at the half-opened psychedelic flower. It will fully bloom when the sun rises tomorrow, yawned Mr. Katydid sleepily. This red, ripe fruit is also sweet. Your sweet tooth will surely love it, said Anton as he dangled on the vine. The bugs do not hear him as they are mesmerized by the dazzling flower. Blink, flink, blink-a-flink. All the golden, busy fireflies out tonight, hummed the sleepy ladybug as she watched the magical glow floating all over the field. What are you doing down there? We might as well have fun and fly with our fire friends, yelled the loud, dreamy dragonfly. Shh, I'm sleeping here, complained a sleepy ant too tired to get back to its mound. buzzbee flew over the glowy, swaying, colorful flower. Dive in, or you'll miss tasting the sweetest nectar, squirmed Wormy. This magical flower only appears when there are no stars in the sky, exclaimed Sticky Aphid. Hurry up! You'll live 10 times your bug life if you take a sip of its nectar, squeaked Missy Bug. We hope drawings and little stories will inspire you and your young ones to capture their cute stories, scribbles, and drawings in your own storybook. Each page will surely take you back down a sweet memory lane. Let's be friends! Drop by my website, IrisBenjamina.com.